YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is a suction side pool cleaner. We're going to show you guys how to completely rebuild as well as do some basic quick fixes on the cleaner. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Navigator. This is their Navigator V-Flex. And for today's video, I actually want to show you guys how to remove the entire pod kit, flaps, and basically your entire A-frame kit out from the frame of the cleaner. So that will give you guys a lot of access in there to a lot of movable parts. So a lot of the parts that you'll actually have to replace from wear and tear, that's what this is for. So what you're looking for is you're looking for there's a total of 5 screws. As of right now, we've already actually removed the the orifice of the cleaner itself. So if you guys actually want to know how to do this, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. I'll show you guys how to take this off. But it will be a screw that does need to get removed in order to actually remove this entire frame from the outer casing. So you'll remove that center screw, which will pull that out, and then you're going to go ahead and take out these 2 outers, and then located right underneath the front flap, you're going to have 2 more Phillips head screws right here. So we'll go ahead, again, handy dandy screwdriver. If you guys want to use a drill to remove it, by all means, that's fine, but do not anchor it back in with a drill. You want to make sure you're using hand tools only. Last thing you guys want to do is go through all this work, remove all this, change everything, and then watch it snap because you over tightened it with an actual drill. So bear with me, and I will go ahead and remove these other screws. Don't be afraid. You guys can gently lift this other front flap forward. It's got a little give from the spring, so don't be worried about it. It's not as tight as the back flap is, so it does allow you to get that screwdriver in there straight up and down. If you're going to be replacing the flaps anyways, then I would just suggest if it really gives you a hard time, you guys can replace those at the same time with the kit. So no need to particularly worry about them if they've already snapped off or if there's other issues. So go ahead, see if I can get it out. And here we go. So I've actually fully lifted out the entire A-frame kit. As you guys can see now here on the bottom, I've got the turbine. This is going to be a whole nother video. We'll show you guys how to get into this and actually get access to your turbine in order to update that. But for right now, we've actually been able to remove the entire A-frame kit. There goes the 4 screws I pulled. We set those up. And then from here, this is going to give you a big portion of the moving parts of it. These are your pod kits. You're going to have your wings, and then obviously you have your notorious A-frame kit that's included in almost all of the Hayward cleaners. So we'll dive into that one in a future video for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys how to remove this. Obviously, if you're going to make any repairs to the A-frame kit, you're going to do that and then reattach it the same way. For those of you guys that maybe just needed access to that turbine to help remove some more debris, go ahead, flip this back over, line it back up, and sink those 4 screws back in as well as the throat. So again, if you guys want to see any other videos that we've done before this, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. It will be a playlist there for you guys on taking those parts out first. But we are going to do a lot more in diving into the internals of the cleaner. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit that like button. We appreciate all of the love and support. So until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.